and today we want to introduce you to our brand new multi-tool, the EST Shovel. The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The EST Shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the EST Shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it. We've been making high-quality camping gear for years, but this is our first product that we're selling directly to consumers. We have everything ready to start mass production and will be able to ship by June, but we need to meet the volume and manufacturing requirements, which is why, if you back our campaign, you'll save 50% off the shovel for helping us to bring this project to life. We chose Indiegogo because we want to create a community of like-minded adventurers who love great tools. Now, all we need is you.
This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 Telescoping Folding Shovel, a versatile EDC shovel designed to support both outdoor and tactical communities. The SCH-SH1 both folds for easy storage and telescopes to its full length of over 19 inches. With a concave shovel blade forged from rugged 1055 carbon steel with beveled, sharpened edges, the covert black tool serves as both an outdoor multi-tool as well as an instrument of self-defense. To deploy the shovel, rotate the locking collar counterclockwise, then swivel the blade to the fully open position. Lock the blade into place by turning the locking collar clockwise until the locking washer snugs. Use caution at all times as the shovel blade's edges are sharp. The handle's aluminum inner tube expands to any one of 5 positions. Use your thumbs to disengage the handle lock. Slide the molded polypropylene all-weather T-handle to the desired length and lock into position by pressing down on the Schrade logo of the handle lock. Use the SCH-SH1 telescoping folding shovel to dig holes, shovel snow, and light chopping. The steel striking surface can be used to pound tent stakes. Loosen the locking collar and reposition the shovel blade at a 90-degree angle for digging furrows or scraping tree bark. To sheath, fully collapse both the handle and blade. Then slide the tool into its black nylon belt sheath where twin snaps secure the blade. Double loops on the back side of the sheath let you carry the SCH-SH1 either on your belt or attached to gear. A versatile EDC and tactical shovel weighing only 2 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 Telescoping Folding Shovel.
The latest evolution of United Cutlery's best-selling M48 lineup is the M48 Tactical Shovel, made of tempered 2CR13 stainless steel with a black oxide coating for a non-reflective appearance. The rock-solid shovel features sharpened edges culminating into a piercing point. One side of the shovel has a partially serrated edge for sawing applications, while the other side has a concave bevel for chopping. The M48 shovel features a 30% fiberglass reinforced nylon handle that's almost indestructible. Designed with ultimate survival in mind, the M48 Tactical Entrenchment Shovel is perfect for camping and outdoor use, light chopping, or even as a defensive weapon in an emergency situation. This is the M48 Tactical Shovel, only from United Cutlery.
Today at CRKT, we're showing you the Trencher Tactical Spade. This is a monster tool with a lot of options for getting heavy-duty work done. The 3-position shovel head features an aggressive sharp saw on one side and a beveled edge for cutting and chopping on the other. The steel tip on the shovel plate is reinforced and designed to pry with. It adds a layer of strength to the tip while digging, so if you hit some gravel and rocks and stuff, this tip can take it all. The Trencher's ergonomic handle is made of tough polypropylene and steel, and the deep ridges offer a solid grip for every scenario you may encounter and all weather conditions. The tool has a threaded locking collar to secure the shovel into position. Here's how that works. This is where you tighten or loosen the collar, and you can set the spade head at a 90-degree angle, and you can see that this collar locks the plate securely in place. Now you can also close the Trencher spade head and slide it into the nylon sheath that snaps easily over the blade and protects the tool for travel. This tool was designed for compact utility, and the Trencher fulfills upon this promise in a very aggressive package. At 3 pounds and 6 ounces and as tough as nails, the Trencher is ready for duty. Thank you for watching, and thank you for carrying CRKT Knives and Tools.
Thank you for your interest in TAC9er's 15-in-1 multi-tool shovel. In this video, we will demonstrate the setup and the 2 configurations of the TAC9er multi-tool shovel. Setting up your multi-tool shovel is simple and easy to do. You only need to line up the parts and screw them in tight. To use the pick-hoe configuration, all you need to do is loosen the locking mechanism, angle the spade, and then retighten it. The TAC9er 15-in-1 multi-tool shovel is both compact and portable. This multi-tool shovel weighs just 2.2 pounds, measures 29 inches when fully assembled, and easily fits into a 9x6 carrying pouch. This bad boy packs in a lot of features and allows you to conquer the outdoors. It has tools ranging from everyday uses, from bushcraft to survival situations. It has a serrated edge knife for cutting wood, a hook and wire cutter, a hex driver, a safety hammer for emergency uses, a harpoon, a saw, a rescue knife, a bottle opener, a flathead and Phillips head tool, a magnesium flint for fire starting, and a glass face compass for navigating the outdoors. And you can buy with confidence, because TAC9er is a US-based company. We stand behind our products. That's why we offer an industry-leading, no questions asked, 5-year warranty. If you break it, we'll replace it. It's that simple.